channel. This is Chris from Offroad Nation 606, and today I'm going to answer the question that a lot of y'all have been asking here lately, is where has the Duramax been? So the Duramax has not been in any videos in a long time. I actually went back and started looking. It's been a lot longer than what I thought. It's been about 4 years since the Duramax been in any videos. So the main reason I've not made any Duramax content in a long time is mainly because I've been focusing on the Jeep. I've done quite a bit to the Jeep here lately, and I've just not really done anything with the truck. So I pretty much done everything to the truck that I wanted to do to it. When I first got the truck, I had a vision of how I wanted it to look, and I pretty much got it where I wanted it, and really there's not been anything else that I've wanted to do to it. In these past few years, I've just been focusing more on the Jeep and not really made any Duramax videos. Now, about the only thing that I have done to the truck since the last video I done with it is I did change the tires. It had the BFG KO2s on it. I did change those to the Cooper Discovery AT3s. These have got pretty good tread on them. So far I like these tires pretty good. But the main reason I did go ahead and change the tires is because the KO2s was wearing pretty good, and I wanted a little bit stronger tire, especially with the weight of this truck. And one other thing that I did do is I did get a Gen Y hitch, and I went ahead and changed the whole trailer hitch also to a draw tight. I wanted something just a little bit stronger. I do like this Gen Y hitch pretty good, and it also has supports and it ties into the frame. That way you don't have to worry about if the hitch was to move down any, since it is a pretty good sized drop hitch. But other than that, the Duramax is pretty much the same as it's always been. Now, there is some things that I do want to do to the truck after I get the Jeep caught up a little more. So the front bumper is looking a little bit rough. There is some surface rust and it's kind of fading a little bit. So I would like to sand the front bumper down, and probably instead of just getting regular bed liner, probably gonna go with the Raptor liner. And I want to do the same with my side steps. There is a couple places that is getting some surface rust, a couple places on the ends. I would like to sand all this down and coat it with the Raptor liner. I do believe that that would hold up a whole lot better. And my headlights, they do have a little bit of fading, so I would like to try to fix those. May either do that or just get another set of headlights. These are the halo projectors. Kind of thought about getting ones that are just regular LEDs, probably be a little bit brighter. That's the only problem I have with these headlights, is they really ain't that bright. But I do have the LED pods for the fog lights, so that makes up for it. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with that yet, but I may change these out or try to fix them. Another thing is my LED light bar. It's not really looking too good. It's got a lot of moisture behind it, so I would like to figure out some way to get that out and seal it back off. So the frame's still looking pretty good as far as the paint I put on it, but I would like to go back and recoat the whole frame, and I'll probably take a wire brush and get a lot of the loose stuff off and I just want to try to get it back to the shape it was in a couple years ago. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is getting a pretty good amount of surface rust, so I do want to go in and try to get all that repainted. But I just wanted to make a little video explaining where the Duramax has been and a couple things that I want to do to it in the future. So I just wanted to clear up any questions that you all might have had. But I just wanted to do a little update since it has been so long. So that's going to do it for this video. Please like and subscribe for more.